Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another wig install. So as you can see, today's wig install is going to be this beautiful reddish brown wig. We're going to get into it and we're going to talk about it because I'm excited. Alright, so today's wig is being sponsored by UNICE Hair. This is their reddish brown lace frontal wig. This wig has been freshly washed. It is clean and now ready for blow drying. Now I don't remember exactly what the name of this texture is, but I want to say it is a yaggy texture just because of the small crimps that is in the hair. So yeah girl, here I am just brushing out the hair, making sure there's no kinks or tangles before I start blow drying the hair. Okay girl, so this is what the wig looks like once it is completely blow dried. When it comes to this texture, I do prefer to put this wig on a mannequin head and straighten the hair and blow dry the hair. Just because this hair is so thick and full, I want to make sure I get every strand, which I feel like I won't if the wig is on my head. Or it might just take me a little bit longer. So yeah girl, I'm just sectioning off the hair and applying heat to each section. Also off camera I did go back and blow dry like each section just to make sure the hair is as straight as it can be. So yeah girl, I'm gonna finish straightening the hair and I'll be back. And this is what the wig looks like once it has been blow dried and straightened. Super soft and pretty. And this brownish red color is really popping. Alright girl, so let's go ahead and put this wig on. Now this wig comes with a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline, nothing major, but I'm not going to do any plucking to this wig because honestly I ain't got time and I don't feel like it. So I am going to be doing a bust down middle part for today's look, and I'm using the wax stick just to smooth out the hairline and see exactly what I'm working with. Okay, so now all the lace is removed and I want to zoom in on this hairline, honey. Look at this hairline and this lace. What lace? Literally. So I'm going in with some lace frontal holding spray and I'm just pushing all the hair back, and then I'm going to go in with a UNICE headband just to tie the wig down while I continue to style this hair. So I'm trying to get the roots of this wig as smooth as possible, and I'm also trying to get the top of this wig flat because this is a lot of hair. So now that the wig is on my head, I'm just going to focus on making sure this wig is flat. Okay girl, so now it is time to take this headband off, honey, and look at this hairline. lace is invisible. Y'all, this wig is definitely transforming. I was not expecting for this wig to look the way it is looking. So I am not mad at this install at all. Y'all, look at the hairline on this wig. And also, I am in love with the density on this wig. I was a little skeptical at first because this is a lot of hair. But honestly, with this color and the density, it goes perfect. So I am going to switch out my shirt because I feel like it is taken away from the color. And then I'm also going to come back and clip the ends, just because I feel like this wig will look just even more cuter if it was cut shorter. So that's what I'm going to do in this clip, and I'm just going to clip, girl. Just going to cut. I'm going to try not to get scissor happy though, because I do have a habit of doing this sometimes. But honestly, I think this length looks so much better. Yes, girl. So this is a beautiful lace frontal wig with color, so you don't even have to worry about going through the coloring process to get this reddish brown wig. I will make sure I leave all the details below. I love that I did not do baby hairs with this wig. I honestly feel like I should have, but the way this lace melted into my skin and this hairline not needing any type of pluckage, okay? I'm just gonna leave it like this, because this is a really nice wig and the color is just spot on. The color is perfect. It goes really good with my skin tone. So yes, girl, this is a winner. I'm going to make sure I leave all the details on this wig from UNICE below. Don't forget to check them out because they are running a sale right now. That coupon code will be below in the description bar, of course. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls, of course, in the next wig video.